Hi, it's Nick and welcome back to Twin Trees Creative. Today we're going to take our drone out into our local town of Stafford in the UK. We're going to get some urban photography and urban videography. Up to this point we've mainly used our drone in rural areas and for typical landscape sorts of shots. And today we wanted to get something a bit different. It was brilliant to get out and about with Rich, which is our first shoot together post-lockdown, so you're going to see multiple angles of the shots we've taken. We hope you enjoy it. If there's anything in this video that you like or any of the other videos that we've got on our channel, then please do remember to like, comment and or subscribe, and that would be fantastically appreciated.
What we're flying here?
We have got the MAVIC MINI version 2 after the first one had an accident.
So how many batteries you got?
3 batteries. I've got the care kit, so it comes with an extra 2 batteries and a charger, which is very useful.
How long does a single battery last?
About 25 minutes, depending on how fast you're going and what mode you're in.
And what about memory cards?
64GB micro card. The main thing is making sure you don't forget, because this MAVIC Mini's got no internal storage. So if you don't bring your card, you get no footage. So what you don't want to do is be editing and then drive out somewhere and not have your card.
So we've come down into town, nice calm Sunday morning, loads of roadworks going on behind us. Nick is flying the drone and there's a lot of birds that are attacking it.
If it dies, it dies.
Says the guy on his second drone.
In 2 months.
Look at him go! There are birds everywhere! Here he is, playing a bit of Pokemon. You caught Pikachu yet? Look at your face. So what was that like, Nick?
It's woken me up, put it that way.
A few near misses. Yeah, he's got a risque approach to this drone business. A bit different to mine. Sweat still though.
Do a quick. You can see that.
So close to that point. That's what I mean. He doesn't look at it when he's flying. Yeah, some modelling.
Just not sure quite how far it's going to go, how wide it's going to go.
Is that flying round us? That's going to crash into the building, mate. Can you stop that? Freaking hell! you did that? Land it on my hand.
Already had a shave.
Land it on my hand.